As we sailed from the Palm Islands towards Magnetic Island, we eventually reach our anchorage at Horseshoe Bay around 2 a.m. Magnetic Island is just 8 kilometers from the shore of Townsville, and it isn't just your typical island paradise. There is even a school and a few community living on this island. Its rich history dates back even before World War II, as it served as an important defensive base. We head over to the island in the morning to meet our friend and restock on supplies.
Another fine day. Hopefully got a bit more wind today, not too much. Yesterday was just completely 2 or 3 knots, and we motored for about 18 hours yesterday. Hopefully we can get under sail today.
Yeah, and I guess we'll look at a map soon and then decide maybe on an anchorage for the night.
Yeah, we'll see how far we go.
We'll see how far we get, see how tired we get, you know.
It's always good to have a sleep.
Hi, Sasha.
Hello, Tom.
Sasha's an old friend of mine from the school days, pretty much.
Yeah.
Didn't go to school together, but may as well have.
We should have went to School of Life together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just happened to be in Townsville.
Just had some friends sailing past, so
Here you are.
up on the sailboat. No, life is normal.
And Kelly, how you doing, Kelly? Good? Good. You had a little pee and poo? Great.
Okay, say hello.
Hello.
We head further south towards Airlie Beach and spend much of the day sailing towards Cape Bowling Green.
Hey, we're back again. Picked up our newest crew member, Sasha. Say hi. Just doing the final checks on this motor. I had a leaky diesel fitting, so I just nipped that up, and then I'm hoping it's not going to fail as we leave out, so just running it up.
Around 2 a.m, we sail over the wreck of the SS Yongala.